EnerTech Regenerative Battery Charger Cum Discharger. A battery charger is a device that stores energy in a batteries by running an electric current through it. And discharger is a process to discharge the batteries and that energy fed return to the grid. This battery charger cum discharger. EnerTech designs a solution related to charging and discharging batteries. When our battery bank gets fully charged with the help of battery charger through an electric current. When the battery is not in use after some time, the battery discharges itself and energy is lost. So solution of this problem is EnerTech battery charger cum discharger. How it's work? Battery charger work as charging the batteries via grid and discharger work getting energy from the storage batteries bank and return to the grid. The advantage is that before our energy will be lost when batteries are not used and it's discharge itself. Now batteries discharge with the help of discharger and energy fed to the grid and getting a benefit of electricity bills. Advantages of battery charger cum discharger. 1. Charge the battery bank and discharge battery also. 2. Variable battery charger and discharger. 3. Will get benefit of electricity bill. 4. Energy never loss. 5. One product multiple solution. 6. You can set or charge the number of batteries at a time. Application. 1. Railways. 2. Automation companies. 3. Cement companies. 4. Sugar companies. 5. State Electricity Board. 6. Process industries. 7. Power plants. 8. Steel companies. 9. Etc. Overlook of battery charger cum discharger. Variable, settable, voltage and current. Input, 415 Watt. Output VDC, 48 to 550 VDC. Output amp, 0 to 250 amp. Battery on and off switch. Battery charger cum discharger on and off switch. Variable voltage adjustable switch. Channel 1, 400 VDC to 550 VDC. Channel 2, 300 VDC to 450 VDC. Channel 3, 200 VDC to 350 VDC. Channel 4, 150 VDC to 250 VDC. Grid on and off switch. Two-way battery bank load. Battery charger cum discharger parameter. Welcome message show over the display. Here show model name, current, DC voltage and charger mode. Configuration setting. Ref T 13.0, software version. GCH, grid charging mode. T, time. F, float voltage. B, boost voltage. O, over voltage. L, low voltage. I, current. Charger and discharger mode selection. Please select 5. Mode selection. CH is equal to 1 and DCH is equal to 2. When you will charge the batteries, select 001. Or discharge the batteries, select 002. Fault log. Over the display showing 9 fault log. Battery group. Showing parameter of battery. Voltage, current, in and out. Here current show plus symbol means charger is set for charging mode and it's charged the batteries. When it's shown negative symbol means it discharged the batteries and energy fed return to the grid. Manual setting of battery parameter. 1. System batteries voltage set. As per your requirement you can set the voltage of batteries like 48, 96, 120, 240, 360 etc. 2. Battery low cutoff voltage set. Set the low voltage cutoff. 3. Battery over cutoff voltage set. Set the over voltage cutoff. 4. Float voltage set. Set the float voltage as per your need. 5. Battery current limit. You can also set the current that you want to charge the batteries. 6. Equalize volt. 7. Discharge time minute. Set the discharge time for discharger the batteries. All parameter that you are change it's reflected over the screen and configuration windows. Fault log trip. When your system is tripped due to parameter, it's show fault log over the screen and system beep sound come. How to set battery charging mode? We can set 120V to 550 to VDC and 40 amp to 200 amp variable charging mode. As our requirement we can change the parameter. For example, we want battery voltage 120 volt DC, current 40 amp, battery low cutoff voltage 175 volt, battery over cutoff voltage to 66 volt, float voltage 200 volt, equalize time are 50-40, discharge time limit 40 minutes. We want to 40 volt 60 amp. To set battery voltage to 40 volt DC, current 60 amp, battery low cutoff voltage 175 volt, battery over cutoff voltage to 66 volt, float voltage to 25 volt, equalize time are 50-40, discharge time limit 40 minutes. We want 360 volt 100 amp. To set battery voltage 360 volt DC, current 100 amp, battery low cutoff voltage 175 volt, battery over cutoff voltage to 66 volt, float voltage to 25 volt, boost voltage 230, equalize time are 50-40, discharge time limit 40 minutes. You can change your input from up and down button and enter to set the value. How to set battery discharging mode? We can set 120V to 550 to VDC and 40 amp to 200 amp variable discharging mode. As our requirement we can change the parameter. Select DCH is equal to 2 for discharge the batteries. For example, we want Battery voltage 552 volt DC. Current 200 amp. Battery low cutoff voltage 175 volt. Battery over cutoff voltage to 66 volt. Float